Say hi, Mum. Hi. Hi. Hi, everybody. We are in the kitchen again. They're going to be playing the new game I got. Let's go make one of the third creature on the green team, baby. They're going to make a spiky team. So I make it morning, guys. The spiky team. If we're going to make the spiky team is on the red team. Let's think that the normal team is like a gorilla with like Wolverine claws. My mum and dad saw that this morning, did you, Mum?
I did.
Yeah, so my Wolverine gorilla. Aha! I need to go over here. Then and get that over here. Then go up to 200. Then more bigger, purposely. Kind of go here to the gorilla body. And bam! The gorilla body. And
cool.
we go onto the wall.
So what were they then? Limbs.
Limbs. The little arms.
Their arms. Yeah. I missed what it said then, but love that.
We got the arms here
Look
for the
at those
gorilla.
arms.
They have the words, Mummy.
Yeah, I can see.
We go on the one with the cattle. And these are the head, guys. Go to gorilla. Go on more higher.
He's gonna have.
Link.
Wow.
Here is the big King Kong. Ready.
So he's the green team.
Yes.
Green team.
Do you know the spiky one? The red team is the spiky one.
Right.
And I'm doing her Wolverine claws. Go down to this one. Go here. Down to the bloody one. One there, and one in the middle.
Cool. Go to the other side now
The
as well.
Wolverine claws coming out of the gorilla. I'm gonna go okay. Go down under him. Go back there. Go up in that tower. And I'm gonna hit big slumpy arm, I think. No, that Wolverine claw to the gorilla. And I'm going to go to the dino one with the carnivores. Go to Spinosaurus. Go to the blue ones. And put their white behind him. Now one there. And one there.
Wow.
Spinosaurus, go to the red team, guys. The red team. And do it like this way, and we're gonna do the Allosaurus here. Oh, that's Monosaurus. Allosaurus. Place it here.
Wow.
That's ginormous.
He is ginormous, Patrick.
And we need to go back to this one. So we're gonna go back here. And I'm crashing with bikes.
You're gonna what with him?
Crapping with bikes.
Trap him.
With bikes on his legs.
Ah, so he can't move, okay.
I kept it this morning. Actually, did move. This time he might not. But it's more bigger. I think the bigger one of Allosauruses with these on.
That doesn't look very nice at all, Patrick.
It like for Aaron Yeager. He like put like bikes out of the ground.
Wow, okay.
Into his foot. And that's gotta be Stucky to him. It gotta be Stucky to him. 3, 2, 1, got the backhoe, let's see. Look at Billy move!
Still moving.
Still moving, still barely move, man. What? One more.
So,
That was so quick.
well done. Right.
That was so quick, guys.
That was so quick.
That was so quick. That was like, oh, bye.